When your unit needs to be cleaned, keep in mind that every Structural Concepts unit is unique, and referring to your operator's manual is key for proper care and cleaning. This is a general purpose guideline on best practices. To begin, you'll need the following items: a mild multi-purpose cleaner or soap and water, paper towels, a vacuum, a soft brush, and descaling solution. No glass cleaner with ammonia on plexiglass. Power off the unit and unplug it if possible to begin to clean it. The first thing to consider is that the condenser pan will be hot. Powering off and unplugging the machine will allow the pan time to cool off, in which time you can begin to clean the interior of the case. Carefully unplug the LED lights if your unit is equipped and remove the shelves. With the mild multi-purpose cleaner or soap and water, wipe the interior thoroughly. This is also a great time to check the drain plug to assure that it's free from debris and able to function properly. Disconnect the wire that powers the fan before removing to carefully wipe down the fan blades. Clean the drain and tub. You are now ready to reassemble the interior of the unit. It's recommended that you clean your condenser coil once a month. Begin by removing the front panel that is attached with magnets. Using caution with your fingers, gently slide the condenser unit out. Gently with a brush or vacuum, with an up and down motion, remove dust and debris from the condenser coil, paying careful attention to not bend the fins. Next, clean the evaporator pan and remove the optional wicks if your unit is equipped with them, and consider replacement if needed. If you need to use a descaler, follow the instructions on the product and use the paper towel to wipe off any remaining residue. When complete, push the condenser unit back, restore power to the unit, and turn the power back on. The men and women of Structural Concepts in Muskegon, Michigan would like to say thank you for your purchase.